Nagbigay ng kanyang opinyon si BTA Deputy Speaker Attorney Ishak Mastura sa usapin ng appointment para sa 7 district seats upang makumpleto ang 80 members ng Barm Parliament pagkatapos ng halalan ngayong Oktubre. Ito ay kasunod ng pagkwestiyon ng ilan na walang kapangyarihan ng Pangulo na mag-appoint ng kakatawan sa 7 parliamentary districts na nire-apportion sa iba't ibang lalawigan at syudad sa rehiyon. Narito ang pahayag ng mambabatas.
Of course, that in fact becomes the basis. But he also has that residual power. Kasi under our Constitution, anything that is not said, who appoints, for example, if you interpret the Constitution as it is, na siya ang head ng Executive Department, naturally, it's part of his residual power to act whenever there's a vacuum in the Executive. In this case, whether elected position yan, appointed, pero walang sinasabing bawal, the President can act on the basis of residual powers under the Constitution to appoint, even regardless of yung merong Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao Autonomy Act 77. But ito, kinlaro natin na in the interim, habang wala pang special election, the President can appoint. Maganda naman ang pagkasulat ng Bangsamoro Autonomy Act 77 provision. Sinasabi doon, the President can appoint, but only until such time as the Parliament will set a special election. So, big sabihin, anytime, pwede pa rin magpatawag ang elected Parliament ng special election to fill the 7 seats. So, hindi magiging problema yun. If they so decide na implement pa rin nila ang Bangsamoro Autonomy Act 77 after nabuo na yung Parliament, no? After elections on October 13, pwede pa yun. Maglaan lang sila ng pera para sa COMELEC na i-conduct yung special election. Pero in the meantime, para makumpleto yung Parliament na maging 80, mag-appoint ang Presidente.